Hello, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of Canal Innova Plus. Innova Plus News, MCTI and Embrapii is on the air, bringing posts available on the internet between November 17th and 21st, 2023. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Take advantage and press the notification bell to stay up to date with the news of the channel, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's get to today's posts. First block, MCTI. News number 1, MCTI, November 20, 2023, technology-based companies defend the extension of the Information Technology Law. The National Association for Technological Development and Innovation, ASCOM/MCTI, defended the extension of the Information and Communication Technology, ICT, law. The law aims to gradually reduce the tax percentage on IT companies starting in 2025, with a halt in 2029. The association asked the MCTI to propose a substitute for the proposed law number 13/2020, which would extend the validity of the law and increase financial credit for technology development companies in Brazil. The MCTI is in dialogue with the federal government's economic team to extend the tax incentives offered to the sector. The law encourages innovation and technological development and is central to the country's new industrialization project. The association also highlighted the importance of a long-term policy to provide institutional and legal certainty to technology-based companies. In 2021, R&D Brazil's investment in IT companies was 1.5 billion Brazilian reals, with 55,000 direct jobs concentrated in IT knowledge and innovation. News number 2, ACRTICA.com, November 21, 2023, Manaus hosts International Conference on Innovative Processes in the Amazon. Manaus hosts the 5th edition of the International Conference on Innovative Processes in the Amazon, in partnership with the National Institute for Amazonian Research, INPA/MCTI. The event will discuss intellectual property, technology transfer, entrepreneurship and innovation in the North region. The event will be held in the auditorium of the Science Museum and the INPA Incubator, Campus I, located at Rua Bem-Tevai, Petrópolis. Registration is free and open to the public interested in technological innovation. The event will also feature exclusive columns, sports, entertainment, interior, economics, politics, culture and more. The event is open to the public and organized by Jornals Calderaro Ltda. News number 3, MCTI, November 21, 2023, MCTI participates in the 6th Scientific Expedition of the Lower São Francisco. The 6th edition of the São Francisco River Scientific Expedition, supported by the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, began this Thursday in Paranhas, AL. The expedition, which covers 240 kilometers, includes scientific, social and educational activities, such as reforestation actions, visits to public schools, science fairs and collection of water samples at 36 points for material analysis and contamination detection. At least 90 researchers participate in the collection. The expedition also focuses on the health of riverside communities, offering medical and dental services to indigenous and Quilombola populations. The expedition continues until November 30 and will pass through the Alagoas municipalities of Paranhas, Pau de Açúcar, Trepu, São Brás, Igreja Nova, Penedo and Piacabucu, in addition to the Sergipe city of Propria. The MCTI received computer and data kits for the riverside schools, 2 of which received accreditation. The project also has collaborations with the Ministry of Fisheries, CODEVASF, the Foundation for Research Support of the State of Alagoas, FAPIL, and the São Francisco River Hydrographic Committee. News number 4, MCTI, November 21, 2023, Minister Luciana Santos proposes a national pact for literacy and digital empowerment of the population. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, has proposed a national plan to increase connectivity and digital empowerment of the population. The plan, which will be implemented by the MCTI, aims to combat the digital divide and ensure that millions of Brazilians have access to digital learning and training. The initiative includes the Conecta e Capacita program, which will invest 466 million Brazilian reals by 2026 in optical infrastructure to improve internet access and the quality of teaching and research activities. The program will benefit 1,328 universities and other educational institutions. The plan also aims to serve the 530 million professionals in the technology, information and communication (ICT) sector by 2025. Other projects include digital literacy, Hackers for Good and the ICT Residence, which will invest 400 million Brazilian reals to train young people who have graduated or have already graduated to meet the demands of the sector. The initiative is part of a broader proposal by the ministries CCTI, CCOM and EC. Second block, Embrapii. News number 5, Embrapii, November 17, 2023, Embrapii supports artificial intelligence system to streamline the industrial patent process. NeoPTO, a startup headquartered in Sao Paulo, will participate in Embrapii's internationalization program, with the objective of accelerating the process of obtaining essential technical knowledge for industrial development. The company is seeking Embrapii's support to create an artificial intelligence (AI) software system using digital assistants to interpret intellectual property and accelerate patenting. The NeoPTO solution consolidates all patent information into a database created by the company and delivers it in a simple and automated way through AI agents. The project also has the support of CBRI and researchers from the Embrapii CEEI/UFCG, Software and Automation Unit of the Federal University of Campina Grande, UFCG. The expected term for the patent is 3 years in the US, with agents creating trends, delivering statistics, data, maps, and providing technical information to R&D areas. News number 6, Embrapii, November 17, 2023, CIM-Unifesp expands operations to materials manufacturing processes and will receive 4.45 million Brazilian reals from Embrapii for innovation projects. The Embrapii Center for Innovation in Materials at the Federal University of São Paulo, CIM-Unifesp, renewed its accreditation for 3 years, working on 21 research and development (RD&I) projects in partnership with industrial companies. The university has previously worked with polymers, composites and nanomaterials. Embrapii will also provide financial resources of 4.45 million Brazilian reals for project contracts with companies seeking academic partnerships. The renewal allows CIM-Unifesp to continue its activities within the 96 Embrapii (UE) units spread throughout Brazil over the next 3 years. Since its accreditation in 2020, the university has worked on 21 research and development projects, investing more than 8.3 million Brazilian reals in financial resources for various industrial companies, technical solutions, and human resources training. CIM-Unifesp operates in São José dos Campos and Diadema, offering an environment conducive to innovative projects and qualified training of human resources. News number 7, Biomass BR Guides, November 20, 2023, Center for the Development of Renewable Energies such as Biomass was inaugurated by UNICAMP. The Brazilian State University, UNICAMP, has inaugurated a new center for the development of renewable energies, mainly through biomass. The center, in partnership with the Brazilian Corporation for Industrial Research and Innovation, Embrapii, aims to develop projects in partnership with industrial companies to stimulate the transfer of knowledge and technological solutions. The center will focus on creating new products and processes from the processing of biomass, as well as agro-industrial waste and biofuels, particularly those with high energy densities. The Antonio José de Almeida Meireles University, rector of UNICAMP, highlighted the university's potential for the generation of renewable energy and its positive impact on society. He emphasized the importance of transforming knowledge, science, and technology within the university into innovation and products that have an economic impact. Professor Rubens Maciel Filho, full professor at FEQ UNICAMP and coordinator of the Iranova unit, highlighted the importance of renewable energy sources, including biomass, to contribute to the need for decarbonization and sustainability. Iranova, a unit of Embrapii, aims to be an important bridge between universities, research centers, and companies, transforming science and knowledge into useful technology for sustainable development. News number 8, Embrapii, November 21, 2023, Rota 2030 has 270 million Brazilian reals to invest in innovation in the automotive chain. Rota 2030 has 270 million Brazilian reals to invest in innovation in the automotive chain, with SENAI and Embrapii providing 133 million Brazilian reals. The program is coordinated by the Ministry of Development, Industry, Trade and Services, MDIC. The official announcement of the investments was made on Tuesday, 21, at the headquarters of the National Confederation of Industry, CNI, with the presence of the Vice President and Minister of the MDIC, Geraldo Alckmin. The structuring projects are executed and monitored by various stakeholders, ranging from science and technology institutes to partner companies and representative entities, such as associations. The objective of these projects is to promote the disruptive development of the automotive sector to achieve technological independence in strategic areas. The resources from SENAI and Embrapii will join a series of other measures to reduce costs, stimulate innovation and foster sustainable development that the government is implementing, directly or through institutions such as BNDES and partners such as ABDI and FINEP. The investment of the priority program coordinated by SENAI will be 70.4 million Brazilian reals, of which 44 million Brazilian reals will be aimed at projects already in the contracting phase. To foster R&D+I projects in MSMEs, Embrapii is providing more than 30 million Brazilian reals, called exceptional, in technologies for the automotive sector. The hands-on consultancies were invested in 34 million Brazilian reals to increase the digitalization and productivity of companies in the automotive chain, which need to meet the new technological requirements of the sector. 3 more Automotive Master Business Innovation (MBI) courses will also be offered, 2 in Industry 4.0 and an unprecedented course with an electrical focus. News number 9, Municipality of Divinópolis, November 21, 2023, SEMDIS holds the event Super Connection Embrapii and CBRI. The City Hall of Divinópolis organized the event Super Connection Embrapii and CBRI on November 17, focusing on startups, entrepreneurs, researchers and large companies. The event was held at the Divinopolis Innovation Room, with the objective of providing valuable information on access to resources that foster business innovation through Embrapii. Coordinator Heloisa Collars highlighted the importance of the event, stating that it aimed to promote innovation, demonstrate financing possibilities, foster connections between entrepreneurs and show successful cases.